Good evening and welcome to Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital's Spooktacular Gala in a Box. I'm Richard Freeman, President and CEO of RWJ Hamilton. Thank you to all our sponsors, supporters, and community partners in making tonight's event possible. This year, RWJ Hamilton has a lot to celebrate. This is the hospital's 50th anniversary in Hamilton, and all year long we have been celebrating 50 years together. We are also celebrating 5 years as part of the RWJBarnabas health system, which helps us heal and maintain our patients' health with increased access to experts, treatments, clinical trials, and other resources. Here at RWJ Hamilton, an acute care hospital, we focus on emergency and critical care and developing new surgical specialties such as neurosurgery, bariatric, and orthopedic surgery. Our cancer center is affiliated with Rutgers Cancer Institute of New Jersey, the only NCI-designated comprehensive cancer center in our state, which provides patients with cancer care that ranks among the top in the nation. And we provide exceptional care in the areas of stroke care, hip and knee replacement, and spine surgery, which has been recently recertified by the Joint Commission. As you recuperate, our rehab therapy services offer the largest footprint in the region for our convenience of our patients and are located in Columbus, Ewing, Lawrenceville, Howell, and in very near future, Pennington. And recently, we have launched our Better Health program, which serves our community members over 65 years of age and currently has over 400 members enrolled. I'm very excited to share that RWJ Hamilton has been the recipient of many honors and awards this year, including Joint Commission reaccreditation, including the specialty certifications I already mentioned. We received a Leapfrog A for the 11th time in a row, 4-star Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and of course our magnet recognition from the American Nurses Credentialing Center, the highest acknowledgement of excellence for nursing care in the community. I am proud to also share that our COVID vaccine task force, led by our Vice President of Quality, Joan Bakari, has been doing an incredible job vaccinating our community. To date, we have held 15 mobile 2-dose vaccine clinics and have vaccinated over 12,300 people. We are still hosting vaccine clinics at RWJ Hamilton every Wednesday as well. Call Joan to schedule your vaccine on any upcoming Wednesday. I want to congratulate this year's honorees on behalf of the senior leadership here at RWJ Hamilton.
Oh! It's my pleasure to welcome you all virtually to RWJ Spooktacular Gala in the Box. I hope you've been enjoying all the fun tricks and treats we delivered to you yesterday. Our foundation continues to touch so many lives with the programs and the initiatives we support, and we continue to grow through the efforts and support of our community with the wonderful leadership of our CEO, Richard Freeman, and his amazing team. Oh! RWJ Hamilton Foundation continues to stride to position our growth for the future. And you, our donors, often see yourselves as investors, and I am proud to share with you some of our recent investments that our foundation has been able to make thanks to your generosity of our donors. Patient assistant funding, providing Navigator in our cancer center for our patients, complimentary holistic service line in the cancer center, and updated equipment and technology for various service lines. I am honored to chair the board that directs these efforts and guides the young professional group, as well as our newly branded auxiliary, known as our Community Impact Alliance, that contribute to the success and the outreach of the organization. I thank you all, our board members, for their commitment to our organization. I am incredibly humbled to congratulate tonight's honorees. The Carannante family of Brothers Pizza, Route 33 and Blend and Bistro, the Wawa Foundation, and Dr. Arthur Pacia. I also want to give a huge thank you to my fellow board, Christina Spinelli, and community leader Casey Hurley for putting together such an amazing virtual event for us, with their fantastic committee who have spent countless hours to make this event this success that it is. I want to thank you all again for your support of the RWJ Hamilton Foundation. Woo!
Good evening, and thank you for your support of this year's Spooktacular Gala in a Box. I'm Nina Melker, Chair of the RWJ Hamilton Board of Directors. It's my honor to be here with you tonight as we celebrate RWJ Hamilton and all of our wonderful accomplishments. This is an exciting year for RWJ Hamilton as it's our 50th year in Hamilton. The hospital administration and the boards have made sure to make this a special year for our employees to show them how important they are to us and making the hospital such a success. As you, our supporters, know, RWJ Hamilton is a staple in our community. Currently, 65,000 people reside in our service area, and this past year, our outpatient services saw more than 90,000 visits, and our emergency department was visited over 35,000 times. Our hospital also saw more than 4,000 surgeries and 6,000 admissions last year. We are so proud of the staff for continuing to deliver success each and every day. Thank you to all of our board members, elected officials, and community leaders who have supported us tonight. All of our accomplishments are an ode to all of your support. I also want to congratulate our honorees tonight, who, like the hospital, are also anchors in our community. The Carannante family, owners of Brothers, Route 33, and Blend and Bar and Bistro. The Wawa Foundation, regionally led by Scott Kent and Harry Firth. And Dr. Arthur Pacia, pulmonologist from RWJ Hamilton and also one of our board members. Congratulations to our honorees. You make our community proud. I want to thank you all again for supporting our gala this evening, and we look forward to seeing you all very soon.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Arthur G. Pacia from RWJ, and I am deeply honored on behalf of my family and thankful to the RWJ board members and administration for selecting me as Physician Honoree for 2021. This most prestigious award is indeed a surprise to me and my family because this is the first award that I have received in my professional career. Coincidentally, since we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the founding of Hamilton Hospital, receiving this award at this time is quite particularly meaningful. During my 33-year solo career as an internist and pulmonologist, I had distinct pleasure to have collaborated with the leadership of RWJ, most notably our esteemed President and CEO, Richard Freeman, the three successive board chairpersons, namely William Rue, William Walsh, and Nina Merkel, who has recently taken the helm of the board. It was with the encouragement and advisement from our CMO, Dr. Seth Rosenbaum, and the former president of the medical staff, Dr. Afridi, that I was elected to be a member of the board. I also took the role of Director of Pulmonary Services then. Hence, began my journey into being actively involved with the affairs of our organization. I am most grateful for the many physicians who have supported my practice since I opened in 1988. Most notably, my thanks to Dr. Orlando de Goma, Doctors Estrella and Ernesto Poblete Sr., Doctors Belen and Eduardo Flores, Dr. Cornelius Toma, who just recently passed away, to Doctors Mahmoud and Suhair Ghosn and the Hamilton Cardiology Group, to Dr. William Liu and Dr. Shabir Ahmad, Dr. Iqbal and the Hamilton Gastroenterology Group. Because without their support, my practice would not have succeeded. What is it that set RWJBarnabas Hamilton Hospital apart from the other medical centers? Our organization espouses and embraces a culture of inclusivity, diversity, and solidarity in pursuing our shared purpose in serving the medical needs of this community, which I fondly call my second home. Our organization fosters and nurtures lasting professional fulfillment and camaraderie, which I have experienced throughout my interactions and prolific exchange of ideas with the entire medical staff, most especially the nursing department headed by Liza Brescia and Joan Barcari, and the respiratory department stewarded by Ang Lu, who have all assisted me over so many years in providing excellent patient care. The cohesive nature of our organization is a benchmark for others to follow. COVID pandemic was the greatest challenge that I have witnessed in my lifetime. Our leadership shepherded us through the darkest period of our lives, and with their vision, excellent evidence-based care plan, with the meticulous execution of all the algorithms at our disposal, we managed to save many lives as well as protected everyone in the hospital by keeping a safe working environment where we could all effectively discharge our duties. Kudos to our leadership and members of the board for getting us through this crisis. Let me also thank from the bottom of my heart to my wife Vivian, the love of my life, who has been my best friend, counselor, and safe harbor throughout the 37 years of our marriage. To my two children, Adrian and Alexandra, I am very proud that they have grown up to be responsible and successful adults. Thank you very much to my parents, Constancio and Candida, who have always inspired me to work my best, and for their continued love and support despite our physical distance all these 40 years. Thank you to my office staff, Tess Boucher and David Aleprindini, who have patiently and tirelessly worked with me over the decades. Finally, I see RWJBarnabas at Hamilton continuing to pioneer medical care in our community over the next 50 years. As for me, this organization and its members have indeed helped in my transformation into a fulfilled physician, for which I am eternally grateful. God bless everyone. Be safe and be well.
Good morning. On behalf of Wawa and the Wawa Foundation, as Director of Store Operations in the state of New Jersey and a proud Foundation board member, I'm honored to accept the Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital Hamilton Corporate Honoree Award, and want to thank the greater Mercer community and also congratulate our fellow honorees the Carannante family, and Dr. Arthur Pacia for their selection. The Wawa Foundation is a 501c3 nonprofit organization and the charitable arm of the convenience retailer Wawa Food Markets. Since its inception in 2014, the foundation has contributed over $100 million across 6 states and Washington, D.C., with a commitment to build stronger communities in 3 focus areas: health, hunger, and everyday heroes. Our associates are passionate about serving their communities and devote hours to volunteering and distributing in-kind products across our chain to truly make a difference. With over 250 stores in the state of New Jersey, it's been a priority to support our friends and neighbors at RWJ Hamilton as their frontline staff work tirelessly to care for others during the COVID pandemic. Whether it be providing meals, hosting a hoagie day in July of 2020 to show our appreciation, providing juices and teas for family movie nights, or providing financial support to the Farm to Family program, the team at RWJ Hamilton can always count on Wawa for ongoing support. We thank RWJ Hamilton for the services they continue to provide for our community. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Pasquale Carannante, my cousin Antonio Carannante, my other cousin Pasquale Carannante, Angelo Carannante, and my father Gennaro Carannante, who's not here. We'd like to all thank everyone for the many years of supporting this local restaurant since 1973. Thank you all for the community and the support that we've gotten and received from you guys.
So in 2020, we raised over $20,000 we were able to give back to the community in different ways. We did some with Robert Wood Johnson Hospital, Safety Town. Antonio, where else did we donate? You have
to Miracle League, Shine Inspire, the Hibernians. In addition to supporting and giving back to the community, we also support a lot of our local school teams with HCRSA Soccer League and adult leagues for hockey, soccer, softball, for male and female teams, youth and adults, all across the township. We try to bring everyone together and show our support in the community throughout different avenues.
Thank you on behalf of the Carannante family.